Alright, so let's go over these practice problems. We'll begin with number 15, and I am going to write with dark blue. I like dark blue. So here's number 15. Please make sure that you're taking notes. Alright, 3x plus 7 raised to 1/4 minus 3 equals 1. And we know this is a radical problem because we have the exponent is in the form of a fraction, so we know that this is a radical form. We can't do anything about it right now because we have a minus 3. So first we have to subtract 3 from both sides, add 3 to both sides, doing the opposite. For some reason I cannot draw a 3 properly. I don't know what's going on. Alright, and I wish there was a better way of changing colors. Alright, never mind, can't complain about everything. So 3x plus 7 raised to 1/4 equals 4. Now we have nothing adding or subtracting or multiplying this radical, so I can try and remove the radical by raising everything by the index. So what is my index here? My index is 4. So I'm going to raise everything by 4 here and raise everything by 4 here on this side. Let's plug things in. So 3x plus 7 raised to 1/4, and on this side we have 4. Notice that I put a second pair of parentheses to show that everything here is being raised. This way I can cancel my radical, and then I'm left with 3x plus 7 equals 4 raised to 4. 4 raised to 4 is going to be, let's see what 4 raised to 4 is. 4 raised to 4 is 256. Alright, so 256. And I should have known that because 2 raised to 8 is 256. So 4 raised to 4 is 256. And I'm not done yet because I haven't solved for the x. So I need to get rid of the 7 first. I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides. And that gives me 3x equals 256 minus 7, which gives me 249. To get x by itself, I need to make one last step, which is divide both sides by 3. That cancels out the 3 on this side, and I'm left with x equals 3 divided by 249. 249 divided by 3, so 3 goes into 3 one time, 3 goes into 24, I think it's 7 times? No, 8 times. And then 3 goes into 9 3 times, 83. And so my answer is x equals 83. Right. Let's do a quick check. We're trying to do 3x plus 7 raised to 1/4 minus 3 equals 1. I'm going to rewrite this as the 4th root because it's easier to deal with that. So then I get 3 times 83 plus 7 minus 3 equals 1. This gives me the 4th root of 3 times 83, which is 249 plus 7 minus 3 equals 1. This is 256 minus 3 equals 1. It's the 4th root. We know that the 4th root of 256 is 4. Oh, sorry, my bad. 1 minus 3 equals 1. 4 minus 3 is 1, so 1 is equals to 1. I got it right. So it's very important that we do the checks as well. Let me pause for a minute so that you can take notes.